Want to generate amazing artwork in seconds, with zero design skills? Here are the best free AI tools to make that happen. First, Canva.AI. Just type a prompt like, a futuristic sunset over the ocean, and Canva instantly brings it to life. Second is Bing Image Creator. Powered by dall-e 3, it turns text into high-quality images, from fantasy to photorealistic styles. Leonardo.AI is perfect for game developers and fantasy fans. Its outputs are fast, detailed, and free to generate. Playground.AI allows batch creation in multiple styles. Great for productivity and style exploration. Craiyon, formerly known as dall-e Mini, is ideal for quirky, funny art. Just enter a wacky idea and go. Artbreeder lets you merge and morph images to create unique faces or landscapes with sliders. Use these tools for thumbnails, blog banners, Instagram posts, even NFTs, without any paid software. For best results, write specific prompts like, cyberpunk astronaut at night in oil painting style with glowing lights. Bonus. CF Spark is amazing for printable art, coloring pages, and digital design elements. Which AI art tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autotech Digest for more AI-powered content.